Welcome to the ill blur matic shoo-be-doo-doo. Oh yeah. Welcome back to Ill Blur Matic. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, my ill family. Thank you so much for returning and tuning in. Also, new subscribers, welcome to the channel. And if you like a versatile blurs content, I'm a very versatile content creator, so let's get right into it. So today's video is going to be the first parts of unboxing of another brand. Well, not necessarily another brand, the same brand I've been using for quite a bit. Ankbit. I said the name wrong in one of my previous reviews, so go check that out. I'll leave that in the link. I also show you the prices of both headphones. This is starting to become one of my favorite brand of headphones for cheap on Amazon. So let's get right into this unboxing. So you already know, look, man. I'm like a big kid, like, ooh, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? So I'm gonna cut this box open and we're gonna see exactly how it is. So, you know, later on we're gonna test it out. So let me just figure out where I want to cut it. Cut it this way. Hope everyone's having a decent day. Got my box cutter there. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Let me recut it one more time, guys. Do not use this if you're a young kid. I don't recommend this. There we go. Woo! I love Amazon. Got the pack. Look at this, boy. Got the plastic right there. The plastic. Now, this is the Ankbit 600. The other ones I have are the 500. So as you can see, I'm going to read the box a little bit. So I'm going to put this down. Extended playtime. And I looked on the website. It says 60 hours of playtime. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. High definition, meaning that literally the music comes out high quality. You know what I'm saying? Like that HD high definition type of music. Active noise canceling, foldable design. And I'm going to show you what the package looks like so you guys can see the package for yourself. If you decide to purchase these on Amazon, this is what the package looks like. I like on the package, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I love how they have the instructions in, like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different languages on the back. So I'm going to show you the guys the back. Booyah! There we go. You know, so it's good that they have, you know, even English. You know what I'm saying? Also, I like how cushiony the box is. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's not like it's rattling around in the box. It's really nice. But I gotta say, Ankbit is definitely becoming one of my favorite noise canceling. These are noise canceling, by the way, too. I forgot to mention that. And we're gonna open it up right quick. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, let me get my box cutter again. Be careful. Don't want to cut myself. And I'm gonna just cut the plastic so you guys can see what I'm showing you. Woo, there we go. So then, I like this. Look at this, man. So all I do is pull the tab out. Woo! What the? Let me stop playing with y'all. So, let me do this. Let me show y'all. Okay. There we go. Get this trash out the way. Feel me? So then I'm going to open this up. And I like, look at this, man. I love that you can see the design of the headphone. Like, that's really cool. So then I'm going to open up the box. And we got instructions right here on the box. Let me kind of show you guys. There we go. That's much better. Right there. Instructions. Then, what do we got? Comes with the bag. I love that this brand comes with a freaking actual bag. I'm like, yo, this is really cool that it comes, excuse me, with the actual bag and everything. And see, like I said, look at this, man. Got a nice fancy bag. Ankbit is really impressive. I love that. I love that they come with their own bag. Let me move my box cutter out the way so I won't scratch up my headphones. Don't want that. And then What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Okay, so we come with many instructions. Many. We got these right here. Okay. Then we got on top of that, we have the USB thing if you want to stick it into your actual headphones. You know what I'm saying? I don't use this type of stuff. You know, that's the interesting thing. But, you know, that's what it is. Then on top of that, you got your USB-C. That's what I want to see, my USB-C. That's the really good thing about it. So now I'm going to show you guys the instructions, the other instructions, because it comes with 2 pair. I like that the instructions is very like visual. You see pictures. So I'm going to open this up. So we got instructions on how to use it on the phone right here. Connecting it to the Bluetooth. Then on the back, we have the different ones. It shows you how to use it for Android and iPhone. I really love that they have really picture quality where you can see the descriptive pictures. I'm more of a visual learner, so that's the really good thing about it. And also, I want to say it shows you the different modes that you can use too. So that's a really good thing to have when you're looking at the instructions. Also, I want to show you all this before I show you the headphones. And then later on, I'm going to actually come back and do a review on these. So, put that right there for right now. And the Ankbit headphones. This is what they look like. See this? There we go. This is what they look like. Then we got this bronze looking color. You can also extend it if you got a really big head or a big noggin. I love the padding, memory foam. Look at that, man. You gotta have the memory foam. Make sure your ears is comfortable when you vibing out to music. When you vibing out to the music. Let me put these back. Also, what I love about these headphones is just it's not cheaply made. You know what I'm saying? You don't want no cheaply made headphones. You want that quality, baby. You want the quality, even the headband, nice quality to it. And like I said, I think these are really good headphones. And like I said, I love that they have the left and right logos in them. Really good headphones, by the way. Then on top of that, let me show you this too. You have the power button. That's the very first button. The plus button, the minus button, and then the A and C, I guess, you know, for the other quality of the headphones. But I will be back, guys. Take care. Welcome back, guys. So now I'm going to actually set up this Bluetooth device. This is the phone I will be using. So now I'm going to show you guys, turn on the Bluetooth. This is the Bluetooth. Let me see if I can, can't really see it. It sucks. Can I maybe dim the light a little bit? There we go. Is that much better? Nope, didn't really show you, but if I can, no. So what I'm gonna do now is cut these on the actual headphone. So right here, as you can see, is the power button. I'm gonna cut these on. You hear the beep noise. So now I'm gonna go back to my actual phone to show you guys how to set it up. So I'm going to go look. So you're not going to see it right with your paired devices. You're going to actually go down and you're going to go to, okay, let's see, scan. Let's see, we're going to figure this out. E600 Pro, because the previous brand I have is the 500 Pro. So we're going to hit this and I'm going to pair it right now so you guys can see. And then when it says Bluetooth pairing request, you hit the pair button. There we go. It's paired. Now I'm going to do a test on this. So let me go find some music that is non-copyright because your boy is not trying to get copyrighted because of that. So we're going to do some non-copyright music. And this time I'm gonna put it up to full volume. So give me a sec and we're gonna turn this up. Let me see. I'm gonna turn it up to the highest volume. That's not. They get pretty loud, so I do like that, and the sound is very clear. As you can see. Now we're gonna do another test with these. I'm gonna try a different type of beat. That was lo-fi, by the way, for people that want to know what type of beat it was. Lo-fi, no copyright, and we're gonna go with something completely different. So let's see. This is interesting. Okay, so that's some of the volume down. Now we're gonna test one more beat with this. So I'm gonna find something that's not lo-fi, y'all. Don't get me wrong. Let me see. Try this out. And one more. We're gonna do one more sound. So let's find something that's I'm loving how this is, man. This is really dope. Oh. Let me see what I can find, guys. I'm trying to find something that's a little bit. Ooh, let's try this one out. Now, that is just the sound test. Love the sound qualities of these. Like I said, I have the previous brand, the 500s. Sound quality is up there with the previous brand. I just love how comfortable these headphones are just around my ears. And I gotta say, it is pretty high with these headphones. They pretty much probably get extremely low too, by the way. The thing that's interesting about this, there's no woman talking to you when you activate the headphones. It's just a beep, and then you sync your headphones. The quality is there. You're paying for quality. This is not gonna be cheap. This is what it is. For me, I gotta give these headphones. Literally, I'm gonna give them a 5 out of 5 because the volume is decent on it. They get very loud. I'm pretty sure the noise canceling is going to be crazy on this too. I like that it comes with a bag. You know what I'm saying? I love when headphones come with bags. I wish more companies besides Ankbit would do more of this so much. And like I said, it's a nice material too, by the way. But this is your boy Ill Blurmatic, guys. I hope you enjoyed the headphone review. If you have not checked out Ankbits, go on Amazon, and I will leave the prices down for them in the actual video. So until next time, guys, have a great Wednesday, and I'm out. Congrats. If you made it to the end of the video, you are the real MVP.